And we cut across to breaking news coming in now. According to sources, NCB has given a list of 18 plus to Mumbai police, lower middle rung people who are active in drug distribution network in Mumbai, and this is said to be the first move towards curbing the larger drug nexus in Mumbai. Remember, a short while ago we told you how two drug peddlers who were in NCB's custody, and now we are learning that a list of 18 plus that has been given to the Mumbai police by the NCB. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, joining us. Aishwarya, give us further details. The list of 18 that has been given, what exactly has the NCB found out?
Well, at this point of time, what rather we are being told, and then our executive editor Rhythm also breaks that information that there is a list which has at least two high-level politicians active in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, and the other biggies of the Indian film industry. Now we have been clearly told that that NCB is in full mood to move in that direction, and in that regard, they have already given a list of around 18 plus. That is what we have been clearly told. 18 plus individuals who are involved at the lower and then middle ring of drug distribution in Mumbai. And they are directly or indirectly involved with these high flyers, which are involved, or rather who are involved in this illegal contraband drug distribution network. And that is why we are being told that NCB has moved in very, very swiftly, because they were basically awaiting an opportunity where they get evidence in this regard, because it's a very, very high-flying, powerful nexus of politicians, Bollywood actors and actresses, and also, in certain cases, certain very high-profile business families. So yes, all of this is being looked into very, very minutely, and that's why we are being told that there are certain individuals whose list has been given in, and they will be picked up by Mumbai police, keeping in mind their jurisdiction. NCB is going to give the list to Mumbai police, and then they would want them for interrogation, for questioning within the next 48 to 72 hours.
Right. I also want to bring in Anuj, who's joining us live, because Anuj, the investigation in the drug nexus, that is certainly getting bigger. So this is not just about 18 plus names who were involved in drug distribution, but also bigger names who are involved in drug procurement. 4 names that are under scanner that include that of 2 politicians, 1 actor and 1 filmmaker against whom the agencies might have found hard evidence, and the bigger drug nexus into the depth of which the NCB is trying to get to.
Well, this is a deeper investigation of the agencies, whether being it CBI, whether being it ED, and especially NCB. We, around 15 minutes back, saw some of the suspect who were taken just inside the NCB office. So we are continuously seeing and understanding that the dots has been connected, and as we are breaking it now, that 18 plus list has been already given to the Mumbai police. So from top to the bottom, every angle is being looked by the CBI, NCB or ED. So we are continuously understanding whether being it about Gaurav Arya, who is also being grilled by the Enforcement Directorate, and let me remind you, he also is being somewhat linked with the drug nexus. Rather, this is being always said that he is a hotelier, but the part of investigation is going on. So that is something what we are understanding. So if we talk about the bigger nexus, then as you pointed it out very rightly, this is going to be the bigger names, as we have been told by the sources, that these are this is the involvement of politician, Bollywood people, and some businessmen. So this is going to be the bigger nexus. So from top to the bottom, as I just mentioned it, every angle has been looked up. 18 plus name has been given to the Mumbai police. So that is something which is going to be the very bigger role. Because if we talk about the latest development in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, then CBI also, and rather ED also, and NCB specifically is looking into this angle, that what exactly drug angle is all about. What exactly were the WhatsApp chat which has been retrieved? What exactly were the purpose of the same? What was the drugs that was discussed? What was the meaning of that was discussed between in these WhatsApp chats? So that is something which is clearly hinting toward the drug nexus, and that is something what Kangana Ranawat to our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami has stated, that this is a big nexus in the Bollywood also. So We are being looking up into this now and understanding that agencies working on the ground level, agencies connecting the dots, getting these names out and rather doing the investigation. As that around 15 minutes back only, we at the NCB office have seen two people who are said to be suspected and connected somewhat to the drug dealing only. They have been brought in. So the questioning is on. The raids are on. Everything is being looked up by the agencies, as well as now the list, as we are breaking, is also given to the Mumbai police. Yes.
Anuj, because it is the whole chain that the NCB is trying to mark. Those who were selling drugs, those who were distributing drugs, and those who were procuring them. And bigger names that are involved, because this is not just limited to the drug nexus or those who were operating in it, but names from Bollywood, from the world of politics, and even biggies in the corporate world who may have been involved, and which is why NCB getting into the depth of it, because the rot runs much deeper, and Riya Chakrabarti probably is only a small fish in this entire trap. We'll continue to talk more about this, but for the moment, Anuj, I want to thank you for these latest details.